Okay, so I already have primer on. I used the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And I already did my skin prep. e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is the liquid filter. I haven't done my makeup in a few days, so. Oh shit, I forgot to do my eyebrows. Bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Hopefully I can do these fast enough because I didn't mean to put all this primer and everything on. Okay, I'm back. My eyebrows are obviously done now. Last time that I posted on here, my eyebrows were super thin. I feel like they're still thin, to be honest. Like, it depends the way I do them. I do them different basically every single day, which is not intentional at all. They're a different thickness every day. We're in this way. Too Faced concealer, which I'm just putting in these places. I'm not gonna blend it out just yet because I do go in with contour first. Just to like even out my complexion, I'm blending out this spot right here. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other cheek, but only the concealer that I put right here. And now I'm gonna go on with contour slash bronzer, whatever you want to call it, because technically this is a contour stick, but I'm using it as like bronzer, if that makes sense, because contour is like a little bit more cooler toned, bronzer is more warm toned, if that makes sense. I'm gonna put some on my forehead. I use this brush right here. I'm not gonna lie, the lighting is so weird for me. I can't even tell how good or bad this makeup looks, so hopefully I don't look like a clown right now. Now I'm gonna do my nose contour. I pretty much just make 2 little lines, top and bottom. And I use the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. I just recently started using a pressed powder prior to like baking. It's a game changer, y'all. It makes my base come out so much smoother. But I pretty much just go in on the nose first and kind of carve out the sides a little bit and then do my under eyes. Like I just feel like this makes it come out really a lot smoother. I try to be really careful with the forehead not to put too much because then it'll like have a bunch of fallout onto my brows. My forehead, I feel like, is the first thing that gets oily whenever I do my makeup. So I'm gonna set my eyebrows like under as well with a little brush just to ensure that everything really stays in place. But I try to keep the powder in my T-zone, and I'm gonna also just carve out like my contour and stuff on the bottom, but I'm just gonna kind of sculpt out the contour that's towards the bottom of my face. So I'm just gonna put the loose powder in basically all the same places that I put the pressed powder in previously. But I actually do want to film another YouTube video soon, probably like a Hello Kitty collection, because somebody recommended that under one of my posts, or just like a Christmas related video, like a wish list video, or possibly just some of my favorite things right now. Maybe I don't know. I gotta brainstorm ideas, to be honest. But also I'm leaning my phone on like a very cheap, like literally a $2 phone stand because my tripod broke. Okay, now I'm gonna do blush. This is actually the Dior Rosy Glow blush, and it's in the shade Pink. I'm also gonna put a little bit of this on my nose because I just always put blush on my nose. I left my lip combo in my purse by accident, and I did not realize. This is the Jelly Wow gloss from SheGlam. On my nose, I'm gonna put this highlight from the Sculpt Power palette. And then last but not least, we're gonna go in with a mascara for the bottom lashes, and I use Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte. So this is the finished makeup look. I'm doing a voiceover because the parakeets in the back are like so loud for no reason, but I love you guys and I'll be posting soon, I promise. Bye.